Hello everyone. Welcome to MRSM Serting S.E.E.D.S digital broadcaster. Let's proceed with the next S.E.E.D.S article. As usual, please listen attentively and you're encouraged to read with me. At the end of the session, you're required to repeat the listed with after me.
Article 2. Cough. Coughing is a protective reflex. It can remove substances that may have been inhaled, such as dust, and excess secretions that have built up in the airways. Coughing is how the body cleans the lungs and airways. Coughs may be dry coughs or chesty coughs. A dry cough does not produce any mucus or phlegm. A chesty cough, productive or wet cough, is one that produces mucus and may cause feelings of congestion in the chest. The most common cause of a short-term, acute, cough is a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract, such as in the common cold or the flu. The viral infection inflames the throat, windpipe, trachea, or lungs. In healthy people, this type of cough normally goes away on its own within 2 to 3 weeks. In the other hand, a persistent cough, lasting more than 8 weeks, is also known as chronic cough. It may be caused by an underlying disease, or sometimes the cough reflex may become sensitized and a person develops an ongoing cough. You can't prevent a cough caused by cold, flu or COVID-19. However, you can minimize your chances of catching these viral infections in the first place by practicing good hand hygiene, physical distancing, and by getting vaccinated against COVID-19 and influenza. Cough etiquette and staying home when sick are also important in stopping the spread of respiratory viruses.
Now, please repeat the words after me. Remove. Congestion. Inflames. Persistent. Chronic. Underlying. Ongoing. However. Infections. Vaccinated.
Thank you guys. Stay with us for more S.E.E.D.S articles.